Here we go, Mount Rushmore.
Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 9,000. Temperature -2.3 Celsius.
-2.3.
Point -2.7 Celsius. Altimeter 3007. Remarks. Density altitude -2,000.
You want to put in crap? We're going to crap. So we can refuel where it's not $7 a gallon.
Rapid City?
Yeah. Enter. There we go.
$7 for gas.
Initial heading 169. Oil temp is still low, 84 degrees.
Oil pressure is high.
Yeah. So we can't take off yet. Alright, so we're going to taxi. Yeah, that heavy duty wind that caused us so much trouble on the trip up, caused us so much trouble yesterday shooting, which would have been our friend today, has gone away.
Oh my gosh, maybe as the day goes on, it'll increase.
Yeah, I think it will. It'll get better. We'll go higher too. But first up, we're going to just fly at 7,500 down to crap. Rapid City. You know, they picked that. It wasn't like random.
Well, I mean, it's a bunch of pilots. So of
Romeo,
course, they would
Alpha,
pick it.
Papa.
Are you surprised?
Got a Cirrus behind us.
I literally went to go look in the rearview mirror.
Okay. Brakes are set. We're going to go run up. Still got the cow flaps closed, but I'm going to keep doing that. Get the temperatures up. Everything's going to green here. All right.
Yeah, we're at about 70, 75 oil pressure.
All right, good. Williston traffic, Centurion 4620 Yankee, taking 11 for a south departure, Williston. Hold that for a second. Nobody coming. Still nobody coming. You're lining up 1-1. Compass is good. Airspeed good. Engines are good. Everything's in the green. We're at rotate. Alright. Still got some runway. I'm going to keep the gear down for a minute. Okay, now gear coming up. Positive rate of climb. Okay, we're at VY. Okay, pulling up back a little bit, manifold pressure. Forgot to grab my gaff tape and gaff this. I did ask some people about that and did some research. Oh, good. Do me a favor and do a couple of strips and then we'll put the whole thing. I want to cover this and this. Salt Lake Center, Centurion 4620 Yankee.
4620 Yankee, was it?
Affirmative. We are approximately 6 miles south of Williston at 6,200 for 7,500. Request flight following to Romeo Alpha Papa.
4620 Yankee, squawk 6067.
606720 Yankee.
Centurion 4620 Yankee, got your radar contact, come south of Williston, maintain VFR, Williston altimeter 3007.
07, maintain VFR, 20 Yankee. Okay, so we've got some light snow. Our visibility for our parameters for VFR, to maintain VFR, 3 statute miles visibility. The airport over there is reporting 10 miles and light snow. The airport right here is reporting clear skies. So, if we get into even 5 miles visibility, we're going to go ahead and turn right and just make sure it's clear. This stuff ahead of us looks pretty light. I can see through it.
How far do you think that is, that you can see?
Well, this is on, our radar's on 20, so 15 miles over to that stuff.
So, but even though it's clear, if something should happen, what's the plan?
We're going to bail right. Plan is there's an airport right over here. It's actually got fairly inexpensive fuel, but it's probably not full service. All right, if we had to put down over this, this is a bit of a wilderness area. We've got lots of little roads here. The best way is the surface winds. I looked at an airport nearby. Surface winds are 130, so they're coming out of that way, which is the sun. So if we need to land, we're going to land as close to the direction of the sun as we can. Find a road that does that straight away. This still says outside air is -8. Who said it was positive?
Anna said it was positive.
I don't think she's right. Sturgis traffic, Centurion 4620 Yankee, taking 11 for a south departure. Sturgis. No traffic coming.
No traffic.
Okay, airspeed alive. Rotate. Positive ready to climb. And no more runway left. Gear coming up. Flaps coming up. Over VX. What?
Gear is up.
Right. Climb rate, we'll come back on the manifold a little bit. And RPM to 2,500. Rapid City approach, Centurion 4620 Yankee.
Centurion 4620 Yankee, Ellsworth approach, reset transport squawk 0254, same intentions.
approach, Centurion 0254 on the squawk. We were going to request monument, vectors for monument flyover and also flight following at 7,500 for now.
20 Yankee, Roger, altimeter is 29090, spec vectors here momentarily for which monument would you like to go to, both of them or just one?
Both if we can, 20 Yankee.
Roger, take you to Rushmore first. Fly heading 180, vectors to Rushmore.
180, vectors for Rushmore, 20 Yankee.
0 Mike Alpha, contact Denver Center 127.95.
How was that? Mount Rushmore, here we come.
Hey!
All right, guys, it's probably going to look pretty small from here. Okay, we're getting close to Mount Rushmore, and I show it straight ahead, 5 miles. So look to these hills here.
Is that it right there?
Could be where?
Right down there?
Yes, that is it. Directly ahead, and low. Yes, that is it.
Here we go, Mount Rushmore. I see a face, I see a face.
There it is.
Oh, so cool.
You're not angled too low on that GoPro, are you? Okay, there we go. Okay, now you should give us the... Ellsworth, 20 Yankee, can we get vectors for the second monument?
20 Yankee, Roger, turn right heading 260.
Right turn, 230. Appreciate all this help, 20 Yankee.
And it should be on your rollout there about 12 o'clock.
So that was Mount Rushmore. Now we're going to go look at Crazy Horse. It's a monument they've been working on for a very long time.
Looks like it's this.
20 Yankee, verify you have Crazy Horse in sight.
We're working on that. Is that the one that's to our 2 o'clock, 20 Yankee?
Yeah, it's at your 2 o'clock there. Should just be like a big face and an arm coming out.
But we have it in sight. Can we get closer, 20 Yankee?
20 Yankee, affirmative. There's no restrictions around Crazy Horse.
Thank you, 20 Yankee. The Black Hills.
That looks like a face, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, gosh. Good Lord.
A little bit of turbulence here. Alright, so there's a Crazy Horse, and if we do engine out, I've got a nice area right here to land in. Oh, there's the face. It's smaller. Do you see it?
Yep, I see it.
Okay. Alright. Ellsworth, 20 Yankee, we're ready to resume flight following at 13,500 to Oklahoma 208. Or 208.
Or 20 Yankee, roger. And what was the 208? Is that the airport?
Affirmative, I'm sorry, 2 Oscar 8, 2 Oscar 8.
Roger, 2 Oscar 8, maintain VFR at 1,000, correction, 13,500.
VFR 13,500, 20 Yankee. That was bumpy.
Or 20 Yankee, reset transponder clock 3754.
3754, 20 Yankee. Oh, one last good shot of it. Okay, everybody. That was Mount Rushmore and Crazy Horse over the Black Hills of South Dakota. We had a great trip to North Dakota, even though it was minus 40 degrees wind chill, and we are now heading home to Fort Worth. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Taking Off. Woo!